Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about wristlet bands. With prom, weddings, homecoming, they're so popular. And sometimes you might not have a band that you love, or you want to repurpose, recycle, and reuse. For that, turn to your corsage tape. It comes on a plastic spool. Once it's empty, you've got a spool, just give it a cut. And then it becomes a corsage band ready to go. Using U-glue strips, I cut this one in half, or Oasis Floral adhesive. Just go ahead and add that to the outer edge. Just sticking it down and peeling it off. And once you peel that off, you can stretch it so that it covers the entire band. Then go back with silk leaves, glue them in place, and just fish scale them all the way around. And once you've done the outer edge, repeat on the inside so that you get total coverage. Absolutely beautiful, both sides. Then you go back, add your ribbon, a little bit of Oasis Floral adhesive, glue that on, and add in flowers, and you're ready to go. Now you know how the pros do it.